The McLaren Senna, as noteworthy as it might have been the point at which it appeared, was just a venturing stone in the British marque's progressing quest for speed. In only a couple of years the organization will present the BP23, a profound successor to the cherished F1, and a rethinking of the strong P1 that preceded it. Obviously, McLaren says its new hypercar guarantees to be much more intense, and significantly more fit than both. Touted as the speediest ever McLaren, our rendering specialists tackled endeavoring to envision the hypercar in full before its introduction, and it looks great looking. Drawing motivation from the 720S and the P1 before it, the BP23 idea is smooth and beautiful, and wears McLaren's mark orange complete to a T. Like the 720S, the BP23 idea sees its headlights implanted into the grille. The smooth LED filaments top out from underneath the orange bodywork, and give the idea a low-to-the-ground, forceful look. Uncovered carbon fiber can be noted on the hood, grille, side mirrors, and segments of the rooftop. While this rendering might be a great thing to take a gander at, we won't know all the execution points of interest encompassing the new BP23 until the point when it makes its presentation in full. McLaren has influenced it to clear, however, that it will be crossover controlled simply like the P1, and that it will accompany more power than 902 horsepower, 672 kilowatts. Client conveyances of the BP23 will start somebody in 2019. Obviously, each of the 106 duplicates of the restricted supercar have just been represented. That number was picked by McLaren in light of the fact that it coordinates the quantity of unique F1's sold, strangely enough. Stay tuned for considerably more points of interest on the hypercar over the coming months.